lovely friends! Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate the art of elegant, joyful living. Today, we're diving into a delightful list of 15 light feminine hobbies, perfect for the classy, chic woman looking to add a little beauty and grace to her daily life. Whether you're a lover of flowers, books, art, or quiet moments, there's something here to inspire you. So make yourself a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in together. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, floral arranging. There's something magical about fresh blooms and creating your own masterpiece. Choose colors and textures that bring you joy. Feel each stem, its delicate petals and unique beauty. Next up, ballet. Whether you're an experienced dancer or just starting out, ballet is a beautiful way to connect with your body and embrace grace. You don't need to be perfect. It's all about enjoying each movement and letting your spirit soar. Now, who doesn't love the romance of beautiful handwriting? Calligraphy is a calming, almost meditative hobby, and it's such a joy to see those elegant letters come to life on paper. Reading classic literature, journey to other worlds. Nothing beats curling up with a classic novel that transports you to another time. Imagine your favorite reading nook, a cozy cardigan, and a warm cup of tea. Select a beloved classic or a new discovery that calls to your soul. Painting or watercolor, expressing your inner artist. Try your hand at watercolor to express yourself. Use color, texture, and whimsy. Dip your brush, awaken the colors. Let hues blend, creating dreamy washes. Gardening and growing herbs, nurturing life's simple pleasures. For those of us who love nature, gardening can be such a grounding, rewarding hobby. Whether it's a full garden or a little windowsill herb collection, there's something magical about watching plants grow. Picture yourself in a light summer dress, surrounded by lush greenery, as you tend to your plants with love. Baking delicate pastries, sweet treats, and simple joys. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh pastries baking in the oven? Baking is such a charming, rewarding hobby, perfect for anyone who loves creating little sweet treats. Tea ceremony or tea tasting, a ritual of calm. Performing a little tea ceremony can be such a beautiful ritual. Picture delicate teacups arranged on a bamboo mat, a silk robe draped over your shoulders, and a quiet space to enjoy the flavors and aromas of each brew. Select your tea with care, appreciating the delicate leaves and the subtle scents. Yoga or meditation, finding your inner sanctuary. For those who want to connect with their inner peace, yoga or meditation is the ideal hobby. Imagine slipping into a soft, relaxing outfit, lighting a few candles to create a serene space, and dedicating a few moments just to breathe. Unroll your mat and settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and turn your attention inward, noticing the rise and fall of your breath, the gentle beating of your heart. It's all about finding balance, embracing stillness, and letting your spirit relax. Now let's talk about the art of fragrance. Curating a perfume collection is so much fun and allows you to explore scents that reflect your personality. Imagine a lovely vanity adorned with delicate bottles of perfume. Select a bottle and hold it to your nose. How does this scent make you feel? Does it evoke a memory or transport you to a different time and place? It's the little luxury you can enjoy every day. Sometimes we need a moment to reflect on all the good things in life. A gratitude journal is a wonderful way to do just that. Imagine a quiet morning, sunlight streaming through the window, a cozy sweater warming your skin, and a journal in your lap where you can write down all the little things you're thankful for. What brought a smile to your face today? Was it a warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a stranger, or the simple beauty of a sunrise? It's a gentle reminder to count your blessings and start the day with a positive heart. If you love history and beauty, you might enjoy exploring antique or art collecting. Each piece tells a story, and there's something enchanting about searching for hidden treasures. Picture yourself in a cream-colored dress, strolling through a charming vintage shop, your eyes scanning the shelves for that perfect piece. Admire the brushstrokes of a vintage painting, feeling a connection to the artist who created it. It's a journey of discovery, a way to surround yourself with beauty and history. 13. Exploring photography, capturing life's fleeting moments. Photography is such a beautiful way to capture the world through your eyes. Imagine yourself in a beret and a fitted turtleneck, strolling through a picturesque park with a vintage camera in hand. Frame a shot through the lens, noticing the play of light and shadow. Each photo is a memory, a moment captured forever. It's about slowing down, paying attention to the details, and finding beauty in the everyday. 14. Attending opera or classical music, an evening of enchantment. There's something so magical about an evening at the opera or a classical concert. It's like stepping into another world filled with elegance and grace. Imagine yourself in an elegant evening gown, your hair styled to perfection, as you enter a gorgeous theater. Find your seat and let the music wash over you, transporting you to another time and place. It's an experience that feeds the soul, a celebration of art and culture. 15. Playing a musical instrument, creating your own melodies. And finally, if you love music, playing an instrument like the piano can be an incredibly fulfilling hobby. Imagine yourself in a vintage-inspired room, softly lit, as you settle onto the piano bench, your fingers poised over the keys. Take a deep breath and let the music flow through you, filling the room with sound. Play a familiar piece, allowing the notes to wash over you like a warm bath, or explore new melodies, letting your creativity guide your fingers. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope these hobbies have sparked a little inspiration and reminded you that beauty and joy can be found in the simplest things. It's about creating a life you love, filled with moments that spark joy and bring you a sense of peace and contentment. So tell me in the comments, which of these hobbies are you most excited to try? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay graceful and keep creating a life you love.